So let's talk about VELO. Its full name is VELO Protocol. There is another VELO called Velodrome. I'm not talking about that one. It's sitting at 0067. And I'm covering this coin after a long time. I think I did cover this last year or earlier this year. And after that, I didn't pretty much cover it. But right now, I'm seeing some interesting structure on daily. Of course, you can clearly see we are seeing a double bottom structure, which is a bullish structure. Of course, the neckline is here. If it breaks this neckline, it can start going up. And then when we talk about going up, it can further get bullish because we have a cup. And then this can turn into a handle once it starts going up. Then this would be the neckline. And then from here, you would have a cup here. The handle is already there. Then we would have a cup and handle structure in reverse. Of course, generally when you have a cup, then you have a handle. But here we have a handle and the cup is in action. Irrespective of that, if you don't want to call it a cup and handle, you can go and argue for a double bottom, one bottom and a second bottom. From any angle you look at it, this would be a bullish structure. But if it first reverses from this smaller area that I showed you on daily, if you can't visualize it there, I can show it to you on 4 hours. Now you can see it rather easily. One bottom, second bottom, and this is your neckline. Now the neckline is unfortunately at a price point of 007. That's a bit of let me give you the exact number. It's 0076. This is the neckline area. Of course, right now it is pretty far from it. It is sitting right here, but the thing is that the market is on its way to create a bottom. You can go and watch my Bitcoin video. I have discussed that in detail over there. The market is on its way to do that. At the same time, if we talk about this coin, it has broken out of a downward journey. So it was stuck under this downward trend. It was not able to break above it, and finally it has started breaking out. Now this is initial phase of it. We would have a rather stronger confirmation once it goes towards the area of 0078, or you can call it 0076, which is my area of interest. Anyway, once you see this coin at 0076, you should expect that it is going to start the upward rally. And when I say upward rally, this is not going to be a small move. It is going to lose a zero, and it is going to go towards area of 1.2 cents, which is 0.012. So it is going to have an aggressive pump. It is going to go up. So we are going to see a pump all the way up, lose 1 0 here, and then go and hit there. Basically, I'm talking about almost 2x. That is going to be the case scenario of VELO, 100% move up from the area of 0076. And that's pretty much it. Like I showed you in the start, it is going to get more and more bullish as it goes up. All it needs to do is go and hit 0076. As it starts breaking out, we will have our bullish rally with this coin. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.